Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'll be reviewing and demonstrating this product here, which is the H20 x5 steam cleaner. Basically it's a 5-in-1 steam mop and handheld steamer. Functions as an upright steam mop for various surfaces like sinks, countertops, windows. It utilises steam to clean, so that's how it works. It's designed for use on various floors, surfaces, including marble. It heats up very quickly, just 15 seconds. It's got variable steam control and it's got a very long cable cord as well. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to use that. Yeah, it comes with a variety of tools. So together, so just fill the tank with tap water. Open this. In fact, this model is a 400ml, as you can see there. You press it and pull. Pull. Again, you press down and chin, so there you go. Now you can use it like so. You can take it anywhere up the stairs, easy to manoeuvre, use it on the oven. All you have to do is attach the nozzle at the end there, and it does come with a metal brush nozzle, and you can easily remove the cloth as well. Throw that in the wash machine.